Hello everyone, this is Munish. You are watching Crime Tak English. I welcome all of you to Crime Tak family. I hope everyone is doing well and fine. Today has been an action-packed day in Mumbai, within Mumbai police and within Maharashtra government. And the entire controversy started with a threat to Mukesh Ambani. Now, what is the case all about? This is very interesting to me because I knew these officers personally. I started my career in Mumbai. I have worked closely with Paramveer Singh. I know Sachin Vaze. Recently, I met him while I was in Mumbai, and now these officers are center of attraction, not for anything good, but for something bad, which they might have committed or which they might not have committed. But of course, action has been taken against both of them. Paramveer Singh has been removed as a top cop of Mumbai police. Becoming a Mumbai CP is dream of, I think, all the IPS officers in the country. Within the state police, I think Mumbai police, being police commissioner of Mumbai police, is something which every officer wants in his life. And Paramveer Singh finally got it an year back, but he was removed, and removed in a manner which for an officer, this is the worst for any officer. Now he has been transferred as a DG Home Guards, a position which no one wants to take, but being removed as a police commissioner is something which in layman language you can say disgraceful. But why this action has been taken? What is the connection of Paramveer Singh with Sachin Vaze? And why Sachin Vaze is in controversy? Also about the Scorpio car which was parked outside Mukesh Ambani's Mumbai residence with explosive. I will talk about all this, but first what the action has been taken. First of all, the entire controversy started with Sachin Vaze, his alleged involvement in the Scorpio car which was parked outside Mukesh Ambani's residence with explosives in it on February 25. So he was arrested by NIA, and later on he was suspended from the post which he was carrying in Mumbai Crime Branch. He was suspended from Mumbai Police, and later on today Paramveer Singh now being suspended by the Maharashtra government. Now Hemant Nagrale, who was the DG of Maharashtra Police, he will now be the new police commissioner. So why action has been taken against Paramveer Singh? For one simple reason: his close association with Sachin Vaze. And if I'm telling you the close association, it means that he was considered as number 2 officer within Mumbai Police. The joint commissioners of Mumbai Police, the additional commissioners of Mumbai Police, the DCPs, the ACPs, the senior police officers, all of these officers were not considered as important as Sachin Vaze. And officers used to tell me that there is a hotline. It appears like there is a hotline between Sachin Vaze and Mumbai Police Commissioner, and the protocol is being an assistant police inspector in a police, you cannot have a direct conversation with the police commissioner. Of course, if there is a case, you can speak to the Mumbai police commissioner, but there can't be several communications. First of all, you have to follow the protocol. You have to inform your DCP, then the additional CP, then the joint CP, and joint CP is supposed to inform the Mumbai police commissioner. But here it appeared to several officers to whom I speak while I was in Mumbai that it appears there is a hotline between Mumbai Police Commissioner Paramveer Singh and Sachin Vaze, and this close association was not liked by many police officers within Mumbai Police and those who were not in Mumbai Police, those who were sidelined by the current government. Those officers were not liking this close relationship, and that is what it appears to me that due to this close association, Paramveer Singh has suffered a lot, and now he has been removed as a top cop of Mumbai Police. Now I'll tell you about Sachin Vaze, and then I will link it to the why Paramveer Singh has been removed. So Sachin Vaze started his career in Mumbai Police. It was early 90s, and at that point of time, there were two encounter specialists already in Mumbai. One is Pradeep Sharma. The second, Pradeep Sharma's junior, Daya Nayak, both were in same squad. And it was 90s when they started eliminating the criminals using their method called encounter. Now, that point of time it was called Pradeep Sharma or Daya Nayak ki jodi. So every second or third day there will be an encounter, more than 100 encounters within an year. But later on, when Sachin Vaze started his career, what was special about Sachin Vaze was that he was technologically very intelligent. When he was inducted into Mumbai Police, when he started working with the crime branch, he is the one who came up with the idea of technical surveillance on underworld. People who are working for underworld, technical survey of mobile phones, that time landlines. Technology is something which Sachin Vaze liked, and that is what his USP was. Later on, when he started working with Pradeep Sharma, he also was the part of the same squad which went for encounter, and there was a fallout between Pradeep Sharma and Daya Nayak, and then the jodi became Pradeep Sharma or Sachin Vaze ki jodi. Sachin Vaze, by the official record, he was involved in at least 63 encounters in Mumbai and outside Mumbai. He eliminated more than 63 criminals. Everything was fine till early 2000, and then there was a blast in Ghatkopar in which a person called Khwaja Yunus, he was arrested by Mumbai Police. Sachin Vaze's unit was interrogating, and later on it was alleged that he died in custodial interrogation. But when the allegation was that Sachin Vaze was responsible for his custodial death, but next day, according to allegations, Sachin Vaze went to court. He told the court that he was taking Khwaja Yunus to Aurangabad, and there he tried to flee on his way, and he was successful in fleeing, and there was no custodial death. But later on he was suspended. He was suspended for many years. Later on he was acquitted, and till date no one can be absolutely sure that whether Khwaja Yunus died within the police custody or whether he successfully fled. But till date no body has been found. It was alleged that Sachin Vaze, he was involved in his killing, and later on the body was burnt somewhere which was never found. But Sachin Vaze, he was acquitted, but later on, because he had resigned from Mumbai Police, he started working as a politician for Shiv Sena. And when Mumbai Police found its new commissioner, Paramveer Singh, Sachin Vaze was reinstated. He joined the Crime Intelligence Unit, a unit of Mumbai Police's crime branch, and then he became the second most important officer in Mumbai Police. All the sensitive cases, all the cases where a lot of sensitive information is involved, that case was transferred to Sachin Vaze. When the Scorpio car was found outside residence of Mukesh Ambani, the case was transferred to the Crime Intelligence Unit within a day, and that is when the doubt started that why the case was given to Sachin Vaze, because Mumbai Police was capable enough of handling the case, but it was still transferred to crime branch and to the unit of Sachin Vaze. Was there any close association between Sachin Vaze and Paramveer Singh, whether Paramveer Singh was aware that Sachin Vaze is somehow involved in the case and that is why the case was given to him? That we are not sure of. But later on, when the investigation began, what was found that Sachin Vaze was using the same Scorpio car. It belonged to a person called Mr. Hiren. He was, a businessman from Thane, and he was known to Sachin Vaze, and Sachin Vaze was using the same car uh, before I think February 7 or February 9 for 4 months, and it was returned to Mr. Hiren on February 9 or 7 after using the car, and later on around 17th of February the car was stolen and FIR was filed at the Vikhroli police station. And when Sachin Waze found the car, he never informed anyone. I spoke to several police officers who are part of, who are superior to Waze. They were reporting boss of Sachin Waze, but what they told me that Sachin Waze never even informed them that this car he was using before it was discovered outside, the residence of Mukesh Ambani. So why Sachin was hiding this part of information? Then there was allegation by the wife of Hiren, who was found dead on March 5 at the Thane Creek, that it was Sachin Waze who killed him because he wanted to hide what he has been doing. And now NIA, after NIA arrested Sachin Waze for his alleged involvement in the entire, this threat to Mukesh Ambani parking this Scorpio car, what they found that the black Mercedes car which Sachin Waze was using or driving, in that car they found the original number plate of the Scorpio car, the money, 5,75,000 rupees cash, and diesel and petrol. And the person who can be seen driving that Scorpio and later on coming out of the Scorpio probably wearing a white kurta or a PPE kit, that person was no one else but it was Sachin Waze, and using the same diesel and petrol which was found in the black Mercedes of Sachin Waze, that PPE kit or probably the white kurta that was destroyed. And within a day, after NIA recovered these things, within a day Paramveer Singh was removed from the post of Mumbai Police Commissioner, and this removal from Maharashtra government has come under pressure. And why I am saying under pressure? Because the Maharashtra government knew that there was a close association between Sachin Waze and Paramveer Singh. And if they try to save Paramveer Singh, then lots and lot of questions will be asked, not only by the opposition Bharatiya Janata Party, Devendra Fadnavis, but also from several other politicians from NCP, from Congress, from Alliance, and within Shiv Sena also. So that is why Paramveer Singh has been removed. Now it is yet to be seen, because ladies and gentlemen, one thing we need to understand, that Sachin Waze is a very intelligent, techno-savvy officer, and that officer will leave the crucial evidence. For example, the number plate of Scorpio, the diesel and petrol, cash, and things which can connect him to the Scorpio or death of Mr. Hiren. Being an officer, a common sense which comes to me that if a person is an officer, that person knows that how investigative agencies work, that person will not leave any evidence. Probably he will try to destroy all the evidence against him, but in this, all the evidences have been recovered. So also, there is a theory within Mumbai Police, and I spoke to many officers, that what was the motive of Sachin Waze doing this? Why he would destroy his own career? Was he actually involved, or he is being framed? As of now, NIA claims that Sachin Waze is involved. Many officers claim Sachin Waze is involved, but many are of the opinion that there is a need of a fair investigation, there is a need of deep investigation, and then only it can be found that the evidence which are indicating alleged involvement of Mr. Sachin Waze, or probably linking it to Paramveer Singh, it should be fairly investigated, and then only the truth will come out. What we see sometimes is not true, but what we don't see comes out later. But at this stage, NIA is very confident about their evidence, and they claim that Sachin Waze knew. But also we had to find out, or I will try to investigate on myself. I'll speak to officers and then I'll update you, ladies and gentlemen, that was even Paramveer Singh aware of involvement of Sachin Vaze in the entire this you can say threat to Mukesh Ambani or parking the Scorpio car with explosive outside his residence? Was Paramveer Singh aware of it or not? Within a day or two, if I get the information, I will get back to you and then I will give you, pass on, or I will give you that information. But surely it has been an action-packed day, and this action will continue for weeks to come, because there are many more officers who will be either sacked or who will be arrested in the coming days by the National Investigative Agency. This is a very interesting case. As an investigative journalist, I cannot keep myself away from these developments, and that is why I thought I should share with you. Thank you very much for watching this.